Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Shyam Dulari from LPM Public School. In this video, I will tell you about chapter 20, that is preposition. As we know that prepositions show the relation of noun or pronoun to the rest of sentence. This is my second video of preposition. Before this, in my first video I have explained about preposition. Here in short we will just see and then I will show you the exercises of this chapter. First let's see. Preposition are words that link noun and pronoun to the rest of the sentence. It means preposition are those words which show the relation, or you can say which show the link to the noun or pronoun of a sentence to the other word given in the sentence. For example, here, put this in the red box. Here the word in show the red box. Here the word red box is a noun word, and the word in show the relation of this red box to the verb. Put this in the red box. In this way it show the place that we have to put something in the red box. So the word in is a preposition here. In the same way, the second sentence, Nikita sat beside me. The here word beside, it also show the place. So these types of word which show the relation of a noun or pronoun word to the rest of the word in the sentence is known as preposition. Now we will see kinds of preposition. Generally there are three kinds of preposition, that is preposition of a place, time and movement. Let's see one by one with the examples. A preposition that tell us place or position of something is called preposition of a place. It means the preposition which show us the place of something is known as preposition of a place. As we have seen in the previous examples, here Nikita has sit beside. Here the word beside show the place and it is called as preposition of a place. In the same way, the first sentence, put this in the red box. The word in is a preposition which show the place to put something in the red box, and that's why it is a preposition of a place. There are some other preposition of a place. The word which show the preposition of a place are at, above, around, in front of, over, against, below, inside, by, under, across, between, behind or underneath. These are the words which show the place of a word, and so it is called as preposition of a place in a sentence. Now we see the preposition of a time. A preposition that tells us when an action takes place is called preposition of a time. It shows time as we see in the example. I was born in July. The word in show the month. It means it show the time in which month I was born. So it is known as preposition of a time. In second sentence, we must serve on Diwali. Here the word on show the preposition of time. In the third sentence, Kirat has been working since morning. The word since show that Kirat has been working since morning. It means he is working from morning. So it is so the word since so preposition of a time and it is called as preposition of a time in a sentence. She come after a week. Here the word after is a preposition and it shows time, so it is called as preposition of a time. Now let's see preposition of a movement. A preposition that show movement is called preposition of a movement. Movement means in a some working position, or you can say in some running. It is in movement, so it is called as preposition of a movement. Such as we walk down the hill. Here the word down, it means we are walking down. Walk down means we are continue walking. We walk down the hill is a preposition of movement. The word down with the word walking together show the movement, so it is called as movement of a preposition. In the second example, the ship sailed across the Pacific Ocean. Here the word across show the movement of a ship. In the third sentence, they went to the cave. Here they went, the word went show the movement, and into is a preposition and together they called as preposition of a movement. In the same way, the last example, I am going to, the word going show the movement. To is a preposition, so going to show the movement of a preposition. Now we will do the exercises. First is underline the correct option. It means there are 2 or 3 options are given. 3 options are given in each of the sentences. We have to choose the correct one. We have to choose the correct preposition for the sentence. The first is the army moved, and the options are beneath, across, under. The snow covered plain. Here the correct option will be across. The army moved across the snow covered plain. Now question number 2, the alarm goes off in after at sharp 5 a.m. every morning. The correct option will be at sharp 5 a.m. every morning. So come to question number 3, they rushed. The options are down, across and behind. The path on sporting the mudslide. Here the correct option will be down. It means they rush down. It show movement, so they rush down the path on sporting the mudslides. Now come to question number 4. Mehul is standing. His father is given and the options are by, beside and around. So around is not possible, by is not possible, so the correct option will be beside his father. In question number 5, the satellite should reach Mars by, at, below. By, at, below are the options, and the 2020. It means, so the correct option will be the satellite should be reach Mars by 2020. In question number 6, he rushed off on near are the options, so the correct option will be near the stage in embarrassment. Now come to question number 7. The notice was pinned in, on, under the bulletin board. So the bulletin board is on the wall, so the correct option will be it so placed on. So the notice was pinned on the bulletin board. The correct option on will be correct here. Question number 8, a deer was trapped the well. So the options are near, over or below, and the correct will be near the well. Question number 9, Rubani does not go to bed since, until and by are the option, and then the word is midnight, so the correct option will be since midnight. Now question number 10, the helicopter had over at in school building, our school buildings. In this sentence the correct option will be over our school building. So in this way we have done first exercise. Come to question number A, that is practice exercise, and the question is filling the blanks with filling the blanks with preposition as indicated in the bracket. The clues in the box will help you. Here in the yellow box clues are given, we have to fill this with the help of this, but we have to see the bracket, what kind of preposition we have to fill, that is given in the brackets. So let's see. First one is we went blank the park feeding the dog. Here the word we have to fill must be in movement. That means it show the movement, preposition of movement. So from the yellow box the correct option is into. It show movement. We went into the park feeding the dog. So the correct option here will be into. In question number 2, the library is dash the chemistry laboratory. Here we have to write the place. We have to write the place, preposition of a place, and the correct preposition of the place will be beside. The library is beside the chemistry lab. Now come to question number 3. I haven't eaten anything. We have to fill time and morning. So the correct option will be since. I haven't eaten anything since morning. In question number 5, migratory birds travel the same route every year. We have to fill with the movement, and the correct movement word will be around. So in this way we have filled question number 4, around. Question number 5, the school will be remain closed Monday. After blank it is Monday, and we have to fill the word with time, of preposition of time. So here correct preposition of time is until. The school will remain closed until Monday. Question number 6, hang the cloth on the hook. I have filled here on, and it is a place. So in this way we have done 6. Now let's see 7. Question number 7 is we will complete our homework evening. After the blank there is evening word, and we have to fill with the time. So here correct is by evening. We will complete our homework by evening. Question number 8, I was in New York, and you have to fill with the time, that is during Christmas. Question number 9, children throw stone the pool, and word is near. Children throw stone near the pool, and it show movement. We have to fill with the word of movement. Now the last is Niti sit is along the window. We have to fill with the preposition of the place, and it is along the window. In this way we have done question number A. Now let's see question number B. Underline the preposition in this sentence. We have to just underline. The first is we left after midnight. So the after word is preposition here. In question number 2, the student run around a track. The word around is a preposition here, so underline it. Place the biscuit between the tea and the coffee mugs. So the word between here is a preposition. In number 4, he walked through the forest along. The word through is a preposition. In 9, the monsoon will arrive in July. The word in, so time, it is in is a preposition. Question number 7, our plane flew above the cloud. So here the word above is a preposition. In question number 7, the cow slept under the tree. The word under is a preposition. In question number 8, the sheep jumped over the fence. The word over is preposition here. In question number 9, submarine went deep into the ocean. Here the word into show the movement, so it is a movement of a preposition. Now the last one, the workshop will last for 4 days. Here the word for is a preposition here. Now in this way we have done question number A and B. I hope you have understood. So complete your books and also write in your notebooks. Complete your fair copy. Thank you for the watching.